If you're looking for women handbags ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2018. Top 10 Handbag Dust Bag Winter 2018. Number 1, Most Popular, by Dasein. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by LiaTalia. Number 3. For more info about this great handbag dust bag, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Chala Handbags. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6, by LiaTalia. Number 7. Discover more women handbags ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 8, by Kate Spade, New York. Number 9, by Santu. The top 10 handbag dust bag winter 2018 were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by Kate Spade, New York.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.